Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friends, let me introduce myself. My name is Dian Juwardani. You can call me Dian. I'm to next semester Islamic Religious Education student at the Quran Science University. I will tell you about the daily activity in Amrindal. All activities a student. Every day I wake up at 40 past to pray at dawn after the morning prayer. After arriving at campus, with my friends who have arrived at campus early. If the love together because usually my friends and I get the love together. I'm especially as Islamic religion education student. We have a lot of material about of the Aswaja, but if the lecturer has arrived in focus in today. After my friends, I had lunch. After I home and arrived one to pass. I prayed the Isha prayer. After that, I started to keep myself busy by doing calling achievement. After doing my calling achievement, then I will story this my mother. I usually scroll on my telephone or listen to music, a good TV program. I usually I read feel sleepy. A book Islamic religious education student. We got there are stories with my mother. Keep that story today about my daily activity. When I wake up, until I need to collect until go back to sleep. Then I but if the lecturer has